Did you know that NASA and the European Space Agency recorded a sound from the sun, and it closely resembles the Hindu sacred sound, Om? For thousands of years, Indian sages have said that Om is the vibration of the universe, and now science is catching up. Every Hindu mantra begins with Om because it amplifies energy, and remarkably, the sun's natural frequency matches this very sound. Could this be proof that ancient Indian knowledge was far ahead of its time? If this amazed you, hit like, type in the comments, and subscribe for more mind-expanding facts.